Meatloaf, we got meatloaf. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Maybe we can have some fun with this one. We've got, it looks like somebody's already done some work here. They've already converted it. Let's see, cooking spray, onion, salt, pepper, 96% lean ground beef is a 1, egg whites, sugar-free barbecue, fat-free cheddar. We could use our hunt cheese here. So far, perfect, nothing there. Let's take a look at these ingredients. We're combining our egg white, our ground beef, our barbecue sauce, our fat-free cheese. It's perfection. You've got mini barbecue cheddar meatloaf. Somebody's already done the work for us, and they're just asking, is this okay? And it is okay. Who was that? Trisha Morgan. Trisha Morgan found a perfect recipe, and all we've got to do, because of all the ingredients being approved, is make my 2-hand rule work, and I'm good to go. So I've got my meatloaf, center of my plate, neatly. It's gonna be thicker than the thickest part of my hand, so I don't want the whole plate covered. You just gotta use some deductive reasoning there. But right there in the center of my plate, really nice little meal that I'm having there. And I've got a great eating episode that's almost exercise on a plate. And it's meatloaf.